Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, guys. Good morning.
Saturday morning, 11 a.m.
11 already?
11 a.m.
What are you watching?
No, nothing.
Nothing. Oi, babe, do you know what they said? They said you shouldn't put the tank right beside the TV because the speaker and the might stress the fish. Where are we gonna put the fish?
I like the tank there.
Yeah, it looks good there, doesn't it?
Fish aren't stressed. They're happy fish. They're happy fish.
They're alright so far.
They're happy.
Anyway, we're having breakfast. What did you have for breakfast, my love?
Eggs, toast, spinach, cheese.
And cheese. Look at his hair. Bigla na lang naging ganito. Wait. I can't really see it. Basta it looks good. Yeah. I have my... That's not my coffee.
That's fine.
My coffee's here. Thank you, my love. I need to do laundry today kasi hindi ko natapos yung laundry. Kahapon hindi ako nag-laundry kasi hindi pa dry yung mga sinampay ko. So ngayon madadry na yung mga sinampay ko. It's raining again, guys. Dry na yung sinampay ko ngayon. So I can like move on with my laundry. Ito yung pa-outfit ko, guys. Kasi naubusan na ako ng very warm na pantulog kagabi. Ang lamig-lamig. Are you ready for this? That's my outfit. I cute, diba? I got this from Zafo.
Is it warm?
Yeah, it's really warm. I have nothing underneath.
Wow.
I have my undies, but yeah. What are we doing today, my love?
No plans, nothing.
Wala kaming plano today. Let's get ready really quick, people. Biglaan lakad. I'm doing the laundry, diba? Tapos, naisip ko, kailangan ng bagong clothesline. Kasi, yung isang clothesline namin, sira na. And gusto ko sana yung outdoor, yung inaano talaga sa wall ba, sa labas. Kaya lang ayaw ni Dan. Kasi kapag daw binenta yung bahay, churba, ibibenta yung bahay, tagal pa nun, ilang taon pa yun. Pero, yeah, anyway, tama din naman siya. Ayoko din naman ng mga maraming butas yung bahay. So, bibili na lang kami ng portable. Okay lang din naman, it will do the same job. Tapos, portable pa siya, diba? I am just applying my Calli Touch for M Collagen Cushion. Ito yung go-to na collagen cushion ko. It has SPF 50. So, I make sure na I apply it all the time, lalo na sa mga no makeup days. Maganda to. Habang tumatagal sa skin, lalo siyang gumaganda tingnan. It adds a really nice glow sa mukha. So, yan lang yung ilalagay ko. Tapos, konting blush. And then, sobrang konting kilay. Ito lang. Yung lagi kong ginagamit, Generation Happy Skin. Dito lang sa dulo. Mabilisan lang to kasi si Dan ready na. Ako na lang hinihintay niya. Ang bilis matapos ng mga lalaki. Uy, naligo lang siya. Lagay ng konting kaeklabuhan sa buhok. Tapos na siya. Ako, ligo. Tapos skincare. Tapos lotion. Yan talaga yung routine ko na talaga. Ayan, hindi ko nalalagyan yung inner corner. Ito na lang. Sa outer lang talaga. Maganda talaga tong pangkilay na to. Lalo na sa mabilisang mabilisang ganap. I will use the same tint that I have been using on my cheeks. Tony Moly Get It Lip Tone Get It tint. Ilalagay ko to sa description box kasi available to sa Yes Style. Sa Pilipinas, meron naman tayong Tony Moly, diba? Pero yung mga nasa abroad dyan, na walang Tony Moly sa kanila. Maganda tong blush na to. Mag-ano tayo? Chateau La Beaute na Melting Lipstick BE01. Ayan. And then, I will put on the same lip tint na nilagay natin sa cheeks natin. Pero ilalagay ko siya sa gitna lang. Para may pag-gradient siya. That is it, pansit. Guys, paalis na kami. I-move ko lang tong car kasi lalabas kami nila. Yung gagamitan namin yung malaking car kasi just in case. Hindi, wait ha. Meron akong car. Hindi akin to, pero galing kay BIYANAN. Pinahiram niya sa akin kasi alis nga sila. Matagal sila. Wait. Wala palang sensor to. Agay. matagal sila mawawala. So sabi niya, pwede bang ipahiram ko sa'yo yung car? Kasi alam naman ng lahat na wala akong car. Hindi ko naman kasi muna kailangan pa. So hindi pa kami bumibili. Kahapon namin to kinuha. Wait, hindi ko alam kung saan ang volume nito. Volume? There we go. Nag-family dinner kami sa bahay ng ano niya, ng kambal ni Dan. Tapos kinuha din namin to. Kasi kaninang umaga yung alis nila. Matagal talaga silang mawawala. So sabi niya, at least may mag-aalaga na sasakyan habang wala sila. Kasi kawawa naman sasakyan, no? Ito din yung mahirap kasi yung bahay namin, one garage lang, guys. So kapag gusto lumabas ni Dan, wala. Kailangan ko talaga ilabas yung car. Okay, iwan natin to dito. Yung plano sana namin, ito yung ida-drive namin ngayon. Para masanay ako ba. Okay lang naman sa akin. Ganito naman yung car ko sa Pilipinas. Sedan. Ay, ano to actually to hatchback. Kaya pala hindi pa ako bumibili ng sasakyan kasi hindi ko pa talaga siya kailangan, guys. Nung nagtrabaho na ako, sabi namin ni Dan, sige, bili ka ng car kasi kailangan mo yan. Tapos sabi ko, wait na muna. Tingnan muna natin kung kailangan ko talaga siya.
Sedan, is it or not?
Yeah, I think,
It's Fiesta or Focus?
It's Fiesta, I think it is. Is it a Focus?
That's a Focus.
It's a hatchback. Anyway, sabi ko, tingnan ko muna kung kailangan ko talaga siya. Eh, hinahatid niya ako lagi, tapos sinusundo niya ako. And mas gusto ko na hinahatid at sinusundo ako kasi like, doon talaga sa harap ng office siya magsistop. Kapag meron akong car, maghanap ako ng park, maglalakad pa ako. Alam mo yun, tapos magbabayad ka pa ng park. Very flexible naman ang schedule ni Dan. So sabi ko, ay hindi ko kailangan. Now, nung nag-stop ako magtrabaho, bibili na sana kami kasi sabi ko, wala, anong gagawin ko sa bahay, alam mo yun? Tapos, before, like, bumili talaga, sabi ko, i-test ko muna and see kung kailangan ko talaga. And, siguro mga 2 months na wala akong trabaho, hindi ko kinilangan yung car. Kasi every weekend naman kami umaalis. And, meron naman ito. Ngayon nga, diba, hindi nagamit yung isa. Kasi kailangan namin ng malaki. Kasi just in case, you're thinking of buying a rug, yeah, and clothes line, hindi magkasya doon. Kung bibili kami nung dalawang yun na plano namin bilhin, hindi pa muna talaga siya kailangan. And just imagine ha, kapag bumili kami noon, nung inisip namin na bibili kami, nakastock lang yung sasakyan doon kasi single garage lang kami. So yung isang sasakyan nasa labas lang, alam mo yun, parang maluluma lang na hindi nagagamit. Tapos kailangan mo magbayad ng registration fee. And then, ano pa, what are other fees involved, babe, when you have a car? Registration fee, insurance, yeah. And then what else?
Maintenance, servicing, petrol, tires.
Yeah, servicing, maintenance. Alam mo yun? So, bibili na as in kung kailangan na talaga. At least, like, kung kailangan mo siya, bago pa siya. Kasi kung bumili ako noon, kailan ako nagtrabaho sa like 2 years ago? Diba? 2 years na yung sasakyan ngayon. Tapos, hindi masyado nagagamit. Sayang din naman. Yung mga ganyang mga bilihin, dapat pinag-iisipan ng maayos. Like, sometimes napapaisip ako, it would be handy to have a car right now. Like, ganon-ganon. Pero, wala. Mas, like, 1% lang yan. Out of, like, 99% na hindi ko kailangan ng sasakyan. So, okay lang naman. Ngayon, iniwan sa atin ni Mami share ng kanyang car para alagaan natin while wala sila. Kasi ayaw din naman niya na nandun lang yung car sa bahay, wala nag-aalaga. So at least dito mapapaandar ko siya, alam mo yun. Yung bilin niya lang talaga is to keep it clean. Sabi ko, huwag kang mag-alala, malinis yan. Hindi naman yan magagamit masyado. And ngayon yung pinakamatagal na wala sila. 3 months, they're gone, my love. Will you miss ha? Medyo emotional yun kagabi kasi ngayon nga yung pinakamatagal nila na wala. Tapos yan, nung nag-dinner kami kagabi, walang tigil siyang kakaki sa mga apo niya. So we are heading to IKEA?
I'll go to the rug place first and then IKEA.
Okay, rug place. Wala naman sa plano yung rug. Ano ko lang, parang naririnig ko na meron siyang mini-measure yung sa ano ba, yung metrosan yung Tagalog, Bisaya nun eh. Yung tape measure, naririnig ko siya while nagsasampay ako. Sabi ko, ano ginagawa mo? Sabi niya, bili tayo ng bagong rug daw. Diyan tayo guys, rugs a million. What kind of rug are you after?
Just one for the floor.
Our biggest sale ever daw, We'll see. Do you want like a fluffy one like this, babe?
Nah, because that holds too much crap.
You just want a plain one? Easy to vacuum?
They're not white. White gets too dirty.
Yeah.
All the kids get stuff on it.
Do you like this one, Danny? Look. It's very flat.
Very flat.
It will go with our colors though. Yeah. That's not bad.
Don't have this homely enough though.
What do you mean homely enough?
Too flat.
Too flat? $6.99. Ooh, and I don't like the colors. If
No.
that was like
Different colours.
yeah,
Yeah,
that would be good.
I agree.
$2.49, that's cheap. $2.49 from
Yeah,
$500.
that's cheap. Don't hate it.
Ano kayang gusto natin? Ooh. Hala, that's cheap. Kaya lang, ang hirap niyan linisin siguro kasi ang haba. Oh. Oh, ano man yung vacuum natin? Nah, I don't want that.
Family rule. Please, thank you.
Yeah, no, I don't like this. Maganda sana yan, oh. Do you like that? That's good. That print?
The colour's good, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, no, that's too big. Oh, I like that color, babe. Yeah, ganda niyan. Ay, gusto ko yung mga ganyan lang, o mga simple lang. Ooh, like, nah, not this one. I like the other one. Punta tayo sa maliit. Ang dami dito. This size?
I guess that's our current size.
Do you want a bigger one?
I think maybe a little bit bigger.
Little bit bigger. This one? Or that's way too big?
Well, I don't know. Like, it's hard to tell when they're up here. They're like, it might be flat.
Okay, because here, look at this. They have that print. Can you help me, please?
What are you looking for?
Just, I want to see.
Which one? This one?
This one, yeah. See, that's nice. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Maganda yun, babe.
I don't want to get a couple of white though.
Ito, this one.
Look,
My white.
It'll be
Totoo.
alright. It just means
Ayan, that one.
because they're not that expensive.
Merong konting white.
Like, the rice is fairly old.
Ours.
Yeah.
Oh, I know. You know what? I like this. Pero I like that, babe.
Yeah, I like that as well.
You do? That's cheap.
These are all too white.
That's nice as well. I like the other one.
Yeah, I don't mind it.
Yeah. Sige. I like that one.
This one?
Yeah. Feels good?
Yeah.
That one as well.
Yeah, that's great.
I like the color. Oh, dusty pink. Gusto ko, ano siya, gusto ko like gray. Gusto ko yung mga ganyang kulay, pero ayoko ng sobrang dark. Kasi parang
Some good ones there.
mas maganda, yeah. Mas maganda yung lighter gray kasi parang mas lalawak tingnan yung bahay, no? Di ba, guys? Maganda yun. Kapag nga lang na, nakaspill ka ng, like juice or something, mahirap siya linisin siguro. May mga ganito din, oh. Wanna give us an update, my love?
I like this size, but it won't fit
Too big?
by that much. The
Yeah.
width is perfect.
The width, yeah.
The only thing is, where I don't know if it's going to be too big. It just means where the cushions sit.
Yep.
The cushions sit on top of this. You know the little puffs.
Yeah. What, is that bad?
I don't know if it is. I think it might be alright.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Wait, let me just imagine it. Do you like that, babe?
I do like that.
Why?
What power colour?
How about this? Nah.
It's not too bad. I still think probably the one you chose around there is probably the better one.
Yeah. We got a rug. We got a rug. I'll go closer. Here. Sige. So kung yung maliit yung dinala namin, di magkakasya to. Tapos may clothesline pa tayong bibilhin sa IKEA. IKEA, here we come! Yan, malapit na tayo guys. Dito na tayo actually. Dito na tayo. Kita nyo ba? Ayan, IKEA. Bibili tayo ng para sa actually, para sa din pala, sa bathroom. Yung lalagyan ng mga shampoo kasi nasa baba na yung amin kasi natanggal. IKEA din namin yun binili. Pero matagal na yun. So, bibilhin natin yun at saka yung portable clothesline. That's it. Is that right, Mama?
Yep.
Dito na kami sa loob ng IKEA, guys. Hinahanap namin, while nandito na naman kami, hinahanap namin yung strainer na fine. Kaya lang, wala talaga do. Saan kaya yun nabibili, no? Nandito yung pang-whisk nila. Kaya lang, wala na. Tapos na tayo, nakahanap na tayo. That's it, Danny. Mga malalaki yung butas, eh. Wala man. Guys, bili tayo nito. Ito yung pang soap. So, yung meron kasi kami ganito eh. Metal. Try namin ito plastic. Tapos meron naman silang sample doon. Chinek ni Dan. Medyo strong naman siya. So, you will do this. Yan. Sa gilid. Tapos para sa soap. Yun lang. Now, let's look for... Oh, here. Nandito banda yung mga clothesline. Tapos na kami dito guys. Wala kami nahihanap na clothesline kasi medyo flimsy. Buti na lang naka-display. Wala siya sa box ba. Kasi plano na talaga sana namin bilhin yun kasi tinignan na namin siya online. You didn't like it?
Crap.
Bili tayo meatballs. Nabayaran na namin yung 3. Bili tayo meatballs. Tapos this as well. Maybe grab 3.
Sorry?
Yeah. Just to have extra. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Where? Here. Kagagaling lang namin sa IKEA na we're here sa Bunnings. Tingnan natin yung kanilang mga clothesline. Kasi yun naman talaga yung dahilan kung bakit tayo umalis today. Tapos ang dami na nating nabili, wala yung main na gusto nating bilhin. So, yung kailangan nating bilhin. So, punta tayo doon. Yung sa IKEA, very flimsy guys. Parang hindi siya makaka-hold ng mga bedsheet. Alam mo yung mga ganun, mga malakihan. So, tingnan natin kung gaano katibay. I'm pretty sure mas matibay itong nandito. Kaya lang, tingnan natin kung gaano kalaki. Sana naman malaki. This one, babe. Tanda mo. May parking agad-agad. Sa IKEA, sobrang busy kanina. Grabe. Siya na talaga ang kinuha niya galing din sa taas. Yeah. Mas mura to. $10. Kaya lang, flimsy nga. Ito oh. 49. Ganito kaya lang walang nakatayo. Gusto sana namin i-check. This one will be better for sure, but we just don't have a sample.
You can see if you can send it out.
That's pretty cool, isn't it? How about this one? We can't extend this. Okay, let's get that one. Is that okay? Do you think that's going to be strong enough?
Yeah, we should.
Yeah. Yeah, no, that's good. Let's get that one.
There's a lot of mine.
Yeah. No, that's good then. You can extend it so it's good for like... Why does that one have a 13-day? Ah, that one. Okay. Let's get that one. Daiso tayo guys. Nandito na pala kami sa city. Alam nyo ba na adik ako dun sa sinabi ni Manay. So bibili ako. Yung green peas. Dito alam ko kung nasan yan eh. Dito. Not the hot. Just the green peas. That's hot.
Are you getting 2 or 3?
I don't know. Maybe 3.
That's different.
I'll get the hot as well. Just 1 hot. Dito tayo guys. Kakain berries burgers. Gusto i-try ni Dan. It's raining. Bago to. Is this new, babe? Or?
Yeah, recently.
Ah, nice. Feeling ko, binibenta nila dito burger. Char. In fairness, marami silang iba-iba. Beef, merong crispy chicken, merong pork belly.
I'm gonna go Betty Deluxe.
Okay. Wow, it's got bacon. Ooh, spicy chicken. I'll go spicy chicken. Ang cute ng aesthetic nila dito. Ganyan nyo. Ang cute ng mga kulay, no? Ito yung itsura. Ang galing. Kanina, ang daming tao ngayon. Nagsiuwian na sila. Doon ka mag-order, oh. I got Coke Zero, tapos sedan. What did you get, babe, for your drink?
Peanut butter chocolate milkshake.
Yep. It's getting a milkshake. Nag-beep ng aming numero. Dad will go pick it up. Is that mine or yours?
Sorry?
Both. Cool. I got crispy chicken supreme sedan. Got berries deluxe. And gusto ko yung fries nila. Shoestring. Yummers. Kain tayo, guys. Ooh, yung cheese ng akin. Oh. And we got the garlic mayo. At saka yung Betty's special sauce. Hindi siya mura. Ito lahat $51. Try ko yung akin. Naalala ko tuloy yung crispy chicken doon sa Tower Hotel. Tingnan natin kung masarap. It's good. We are home, people. Let's do a quick haul. So, nandun na yung rug namin. Napakita ko ba sa inyo kung ano yung binili namin? Mamaya, i-open yan ni Dan. Hala, let's put this in the freezer, my love. Dalawang meatballs from IKEA. Thank you. And then, ito, pinili ni Dan. Chocolate nut. Milk chocolate with hazelnut. $1.40. And then, tatlong gravy powder. And then, ito yung mga binili namin para sa toilet. Sa bathroom namin. So, yan. Para sa sabon natin. And then, 2 of these. So, dalawa. Ilagay dun sa gilid. Install natin yan mamaya. And then, we went to Daiso, diba? Daiso! Ay! Sorry. Bumili ako ng duster. Kasi wala akong duster. Ang bilis mag-ano dito do. Kahit na naka-close yung yung mga windows, walang naka-open. Mabilis mag-dust yung dyan ay. Tapos yung ginagamit ko, yung black na furniture namin ba, yung ginagamit ko is ano lang naman. Wino-wipe ko talaga siya lagi. So, i-try natin yung duster. Sa sa Daiso, $2, I think this one's more expensive. Like, yeah, $3.80 for this. Try natin yung i-dust-dust. Ito, binaon ko to kanina, hindi yung galing kay Daiso. We got 2 of these. Kapag bumupunta kami ng Daiso, bumibili ako nito lagi. Yan yung gamit namin na earbud. Ito yung sa lahat na na-try ko, ito yung pinaka matibay. And then, I got 1 hot green pea. So, I think wasabi. And then, 4 nitong green peas. Yan. That's from Daiso. And now, alisin natin yung lumang rug. Yan yung lumang rug namin. Merong accent ng red, black, white, gray. Papalitan natin yan ng bago. Ang tagal na gusto ni Dan palitan yan eh. Ngayon lang natupad. But that rug is fine. Maganda yung rug na yan kasi mabilis lang siya i-vacuum, guys. Na walang, walang iibahin sa settings ba? Itong bagong rug namin, medyo tricky siya i-vacuum kasi, siya, fluffy. May mga fluff siya.
Just put that right there.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost.
I like it. Kita niyo ba? Ganyan siya. Fluffy. Fluffy siya. Tapos meron siyang pa-pattern. Like, chevron doon. Chevron din dito. Tapos, dito mga line-line. Ganyan siya, oh. Gray. Tapos may parang black na ano. Yung sa lines niya. Yan. Tapos, it's fluffy. Yan. It's nice. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Good choice?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Gusto sana namin bumili ng medyo mas malaki nito. Kaya lang yung next na size up nito, sobrang laki naman yan. Naaabot na dun sa wall yung ano, yung rug. And para sa akin, kapag sobrang laki naman ng rug, parang liliit. Tingnan yung bahay. So ito, same exact size ng luma namin. But just different texture, different color. It's nice. Let's put the table.
Yep.
Sige.
We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
Ay, we got this din pala, guys. Ito. Mas mahal siya kaysa sa IKEA at saka sa where did we look? Tingnan namin sa Kmart. Mas mahal siya, pero mas ano to, mas sturdy to. Let's unbox this, babe. And actually put it up and see if we like it. Ito na yung binili namin kasi siya yung pinakamahal. So sabi namin, ano, siya na siguro pinakamatibay. Tapos nag-e-extend din siya. So mas marami kang kalaman mo. May extend siya, guys.
When you do extend it, babe,
Yeah.
you're still going to be careful not to overload it. Or you
Yep.
break it. So if you do put a quilt on it, use two or something like that. Or if you do a blanket, use two. Don't just use one.
What do you mean used to? Yeah, two. Okay, yep.
1, 2.
Yep. Guys, kasi kumain kami ng late kanina. Ano, magsa-snack lang siguro. No, actually, ako, kakain ako ng rice. Rice at saka ito. Good idea talaga itong ganito pagka-wrap eye. Ito yung ginawa natin few days ago. And then, ito, nandito pa rin siya. Yung dynamite. So, kakain si Dan ng dalawa daw na dynamite. Ako isa. Tapos, kakain din ako ng lumpiang toge. So, itong tatlo ilabas natin. Ayan, dalawa kay Dan, isa sa akin. Good, check lang natin kung may rice tayo. Nanonood pala kami ng Step Brothers sa Netflix. Guys, nanonood kami ng dalawang Netflix movie. The first one was Step Brothers. And then the next one was Miracles. Miracles in Heaven?
Something like that.
Yeah. And, did you cry?
I didn't cry.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
A little bit. No, you didn't? No?
I didn't cry. I wasn't crying.
You were teary-eyed.
Teary-eyed, not crying.
Oh, no, ano kaya siya? Touch siya sa mga ganyan mga baby. Ang ganda ng rug. In fairness, sabi ni Dan, what was the term you used today? Very homely? Is that homey? Homely. Homely. Yeah, sabi niya very homely niya. Homely Dan. Very warm. Anyway, yun na yung vlog. Sana guys na-enjoy nyo. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys hopefully bukas. Do not forget, be good. Bye. Good night, guys. Good night, my love.
Good night.